I found a go-to seller for this brand and I can't wait to show you all. So we have 3 bags here today, all from this brand, from the same seller, and best quality ever. This is gonna be my go-to if I want this brand. We're gonna start off with this one. Look at this bag. The quality is absolutely impeccable. The gold, amazing. I found another one of this, but the gold was so yellow that I didn't even want the bag. Oh my god, this one, I am shocked. Here's a close-up for you guys. This is what she looks like when you open it. You have the pocket up here, and it does have the logo that's supposed to have. It has a pocket in here, and inside looks like this. And it also has the serial number right there. And the little pocket in the back as well. Literally, I'm so obsessed with this bag. She's so perfect in every single way. Then I did have to get her in white as well because that was so incredible quality from the first one that I was like, let me get the white one. And this is what she looks like, fully wrapped. Here she is fully unwrapped. And this one is the caviar leather, unlike the black one. And look at the details, guys. Literally so amazing. You cannot convince me that this isn't top quality. This is the best that you will find. The gold is also the perfect color gold. This is what she looks like, and so stunning. Inside you get the same zipper on the top, the logo right there, and this is what she looks like. She also comes with all the paperwork, just like every single bag you will get from the seller. So you have the outer pocket, the inside one, and the serial number right there. And there's also the little pocket in the back. In the box, it also has all the paperwork, the little ribbon, and also the dust bag. Authenticity card as well. It even comes with a flower. Last but not least, we have our big daddy, and I finally found one. You guys, look at her. She is exactly what I have been searching for. This is what it looks like when you open it. It has the pocket right there, and I will show you guys compared to the last one that didn't have the logo. This one does. And it has the extra pocket in here, the zipper, which is where it's supposed to be, unlike the last one. And it also has this extra pocket right here. And it also has the pocket in the back, which does open, unlike the last one. The quality is just unmatched. All of these are linked in my bio. If you want this brand, I highly recommend purchasing from this seller. Link in bio.